As cannabis slipped further into the shadows of criminal law, federal policy tightened its grip. Under President Truman, the 1951 Boggs Act made incarceration mandatory for cannabis possession. No judicial discretion. A first-time offense could land someone in prison for up to 5 years, with fines equivalent to more than $25,000 in today's money. President Eisenhower followed suit. His 1956 Narcotic Control Act hiked the maximum sentence to 10 years, with fines reaching what today would be over $200,000. The message from the federal government was clear: cannabis was a threat. State lawmakers, especially in places like California, embraced this panic. By 1954, possessing cannabis could earn someone a decade behind bars. The judicial system took notice. In the 1969 case of Leary v. United States, the Supreme Court ruled that the 1937 Marijuana Tax Act violated individuals' Fifth Amendment rights, as it compelled individuals to self-incriminate in order to pay the associated tax. Leary, along with 4 others, had traveled from New York to Mexico. After being denied entry into Mexico, Leary returned to Texas, where he was searched and found in possession of cannabis, a violation of the 1937 Marijuana Tax Act. Timothy Leary, a Washington State University graduate and former clinical psychologist at Harvard University, had been one of the most prominent researchers on drugs, specifically psychedelics, of the time. Leary, who famously stated,
"Turn on, tune in, and drop out."
Some claim that Nixon had declared Leary the most dangerous man in America, but this claim has been disputed. But that ruling, Leary v. United States, marked a turning point. After more than 3 decades, the federal government's first major cannabis law had been struck down. A new era was coming, and it would be anything but peaceful.